So welcome to mr.bk, and today you're gonna see dimension associative. So dimension associative, as per dimension associative, is nothing but uh, you can differentiate it into three types of dimensions. That is, you can just draw three various type of dimensions with automatic update need to be made, and a line or a dimension which can be split into many things. So first, let's draw. So now let's see the dimensions which I'm gonna draw. This is a dimension associative which is in 2, where the dimensions which I'm gonna make will be able to edit, or even if I stretch, the dimension gets updated automatically. So let's draw it in dimension 2 and dimension 1 and dimension 3. That is the dimension associated in 1 and 2 and 3. So now we can see the overall thing in the text. So it is nothing but everything which is made in dimension associated 0, it is made into a text, line and symbol individual. That is nothing but it is made into explode. So even though if I stretch the line, the command gets the command gets updated automatically. So this is how we can just make an update in IIS. So in this we can see that the dimension never gets updated since it is a non-associative. So every dimension has a different name in this. It is nothing but the dimension for the 01 is nothing but m text. It is, since it is contracted into every single text, so it is made as an m text. And second one is nothing but a drawing which is used for first one. So it gives you many things as same what we do.
So now we can see that associative எப்படி பண்ணலாம். ஸோ அதாவது வந்து டைமென்ஷனில் how can we associate. So just click on the dimension which and all are not yet associated. So just click it and you can able to go to dimension associate. So you just need to select the dimension and just click it over the first point and the second point. The line can be associated. Click on dimension, text, start point and end point. Change, now it get associated so that it gets updated even if the dimension or the length changes. So this is how you can just update the dimensions. It is also associated. This is an associated so that we don't need to do any changes. So the dimension associated for 0, since it becomes as a text, so it can't even be updated. So thank you for subscribing, mr.bk.